Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the tone of the response of a Claude in the Claude desktop application. For example, I have set the tone over here. Otherwise, it was a very generic tone of Claude. I have set the tone and style over here, but if I want to make a change or, shorten the text, I can simply do it from here. So for tone and style, try to copy the 48 joules of power and response using the 9. So now what it will do, it will actually change the tone and style. Also, I want shorten the text. So it will simply now, when I will give it a topic for a paragraph writing, will change the tone of the whole paragraph, and also the response length will be a bit more shortened than the regular one. So this is how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.